Put your hands behind your back. Do not resist.
Please don't hit Uncle, please!
Hey,
Stop!
do that, brother. My
Back.
back up.
Stop!
Get
You can't do that.
Get back.
To him.
Get back
You
now.
cannot do that to him. He is disabled. He just got out of the fucking. He got out of the goddamn hospital.
My name is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and I am a storyteller. Welcome to the bunker.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Colonel channel. I'd like to say right at the beginning, if you want to watch this video without my commentary, my colorful comments, and my smart-ass remarks, go directly to Audit. The link is below. In this video that I will be remarking to, this is where cops come in here and they just get bully tough. And you don't have to be this way. I don't know why this physical interaction had to go this way. This is not about de-escalation. This is not good police work. This is just bully cop crap. And with that said, let's jump into the video. You can make up your own mind. But in my view, way excessive.
On June 8, 2024, grandfather Ray Lopez was staying at a second-floor Airbnb in Branson, Missouri. While sitting on the unit's balcony, Mr. Lopez, who suffers from COPD, periodically spat over the edge in order to clear his airway. However, the mist reached the balcony below, and there was some sort of confrontation between the guests staying in the lower-level Airbnb. Although, as we will discuss in further detail later in this episode, the nature of the interaction appears to be in dispute. The lower-level guest reported the situation to the police, and Officer Michael Walkup and Officer Jonathan Sigmund of the Branson Police Department responded to Mr. Lopez's Airbnb. The interaction that followed was captured on body camera, although the body camera was not activated until partway through the encounter.
Ready. Have a good day. Don't enter my home. I don't care. Yeah, now you're going to turn it on. Now you're going to pause it. Hey, roll this.
There ain't no pause. Check the light.
Okay, so the first thing is the body-worn camera should be on whenever there's an encounter with a suspect, a civilian, basically a public encounter. The cameras should be on so it doesn't end up with this like, oh, now this is the part we're going to catch.
Oh, now we turn it on. You don't want to get all the story.
I did not think it was a big deal.
You don't want to get the whole story, do you?
Where's your idea?
Yeah, good day.
No. Okay, you're under arrest.
Okay, right here. So this is he says he's under arrest. He enters the home. Remember, in the law, the Fourth Amendment says that is your castle. That is your most safe, sacred place. And the police have to have some reason to be able to invade that space without a warrant. And in this case, there's no warrant at all. And there's really no concern that this guy is going to run away. Why are they charging in?
Hands behind your back. Do not resist.
Please don't hit Uncle, please!
Hey,
Stop!
do that, brother. My
Back. Back up.
Stop!
Get back.
You can't do that.
Get back.
To him.
Get back
You
now.
cannot do that to him. He is disabled. He just got out of the fucking. He got out of the goddamn hospital. He is fine. You can't do that to him. You're gonna kill him. You hurt him.
Back.
You hurt him. It's your ass.
Now.
I ain't doing anything.
back.
You're hurting my brother.
Grabbing.
You threw him down on the ground. You both are.
Why are you putting him under arrest for no reason?
Get back.
No, that is illegal, dude.
Okay, get back.
Y'all are on some bullshit.
Okay.
You're not
Y'all are on some
taking
bullshit. Get off of my brother.
You're not taking
He's
it.
under arrest.
Stop! No.
He's under arrest. Stop. Charges for resisting.
Go. Ain't nobody resisting.
Okay, so now he's going to charge for resisting. What are they resisting? And you shouldn't even be in the damn house.
I'm not doing anything.
Nobody's doing anything.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Let's go.
Stop.
Stand up.
Please, back up.
You gotta back up, dude. You realize what's
You guys
wrong
have to
with
back
him?
up.
Well, you guys need to back up and let him
Y'all
up.
come in here doing that, charging
What's it look
him,
like we're doing?
tackling him to the
You
floor.
weren't until now.
He's got to. Dude.
Get back.
No, he's fuck. You can't. No.
No, leave me alone.
That's what he said to me.
Give me a minute.
That's what he said to me. He said,
I'm a
"Leave me alone, step
brother.
up."
You leave me
hurt
alone.
him for no exact reason.
Y'all are.
Okay, how many times did I ask for ID?
No.
Okay, but
Well, how many times did you ask for ID isn't really the question. The question is, Do you get to go charging into someone's most protected place without a warrant, without any exigency of circumstances that would demand that you do that immediately to prevent any kind of evidence from being destroyed, for example, or escape? I see none of that.
Okay.
My God, he told you that.
You're gonna attack a disabled person?
He doesn't drive.
Wow, dude, we're getting on
We don't have to
vacation,
explain anything
man.
to you guys. He's under arrest. That's the end of it.
He didn't do anything.
He's under arrest for failure to ID.
You can't
He
arrest
doesn't have one.
Okay, so again, this is one of the things I've been advocating for on my channel is there should be a mechanism when your civil rights have been violated. There's a simple procedure. You get it before a judge. The judge only makes a decision with regard to whether or not your civil rights were violated. And then if they were, there's an automatic sort of penalty to the police. Maybe the city has to pay a fine. But that they have to get a lawyer, you have to go through all this process when there's clearly a violation of someone's civil rights, that should be as easy to address as it is for them to just barge into your house and arrest you. And if they're wrong, there should be some consequence to that. And it shouldn't be a big lawsuit that takes lawyers, and because lawyers aren't going to take up smaller suits without big payoffs if they're doing it on a contingency. And why would you want to give any lawyer any amount of your money? This should not be something you need a lawyer for. They don't need a lawyer apparently because they have qualified immunity. Well, anyway, you can see I get worked up.
If you're a cop, you can tell me how to do my job.
He said he didn't have one.
Hold on.
I'm trying to help.
You can't help it. You need to call his doctor and you need to get on the phone with a lawyer right now. You're going to make this man die. God.
That's why I hate police.
True.
Okay.
Wait, please,
I'm waiting.
wait.
Okay. Do you want us to get an ambulance here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That would have been a question to
You
ask a
just
while
threw
ago.
him into the fucking floor and into the steps.
Okay, we're not going to do all of this.
There ain't no
27
doing
Branson.
it. You did it.
Could you start TCAD non-priority, please?
I'm telling you something right now. The downstairs is getting to know this too. This is bull. We didn't do a thing to these people.
Okay. So if you just talk to us,
And we're trying to.
That's
The
what we
man
were
tried
trying to
telling
do.
you he didn't have an ID.
And I tried telling you
tried
that
telling
the
us
man
to
is
fuck off.
disabled.
Well, that's Ray.
so here's the deal. I don't know Ray. Okay.
Well, okay.
So I don't know Ray.
But he
When
wasn't coming to you. He
when
walked
we
away
said-
from you
Yeah.
and you grabbed him.
Yeah, and
We-
threw him into
okay,
the
Okay, everybody stop for a second and I
But
can
you
explain the
see,
situation.
he has a cane.
Okay.
And you grabbed
A
him
disabled
like
man.
that.
So do you know how many people have a cane that aren't disabled?
No, we were
What
telling
I'm
you he was
saying
is
disabled the whole time.
in
We was
one
telling you.
eye.
So I'll talk
Deaf
to you.
in
because
another
you're
ear.
Be the only one that's.
Do you hear that logic? Do you hear how many people say they're disabled that are not disabled? Is that the standard really? Is you just can make it up as you go because other people have lied to you or something like that? Get over it.
Receptive of information, okay? So when we say, hey, we're investigating a peace disturbance, and we get told, hey, f off, I'm not talking to you at all, and you're a prime suspect in a peace disturbance, I'm not going to let you just walk back into your home. You have to come out and talk to us. You're a suspect.
Okay, but he didn't do
No,
anything.
they don't.
Okay, we
That's what
explained
we have
very
to do.
And he
clearly.
even apologized.
Absolutely not. That is completely incorrect. He was in his home through the threshold, no exigent circumstances. No, wrong.
To the man downstairs before anything else went on.
Not. That is completely.
Very
And you're
clearly,
going to
that's what
arrest
we're doing,
him?
Okay? Right now, he's under arrest for peace disturbance.
I think you're bull. And I will call his lawyer.
That's part of the fact.
Oh, yeah.
You're more welcome to do that.
You will know.
Everybody's right.
You will
Follow
know.
them. I ain't sitting in jail. They kiss
You're
my
not going to jail.
Yeah, good. Yeah, I will have your jobs. Who grabbed me? I want the footage. Watch out. It's your ass.
Hey, Bo.
You think I'm playing?
I 100% grabbed your arm.
You did.
I grabbed your arm.
Through you. You did.
I grabbed your arm.
No.
I got you,
no,
son.
No, dude. No, you didn't.
And you
No.
put him down.
You grabbed.
I got
it
you,
on
son.
tape. I got it on tape.
So do we.
Yeah, okay, good.
Okay.
I hope you
All
got
right,
it from
where are you
my
going to?
angle.
I'm sitting the down. Leave me alone.
I'm going to go there
you
with
said I ain't going to jail. Kiss my ass now.
Okay. You're still under arrest at this point.
Yeah, okay.
We're not leaving.
I don't care what you do.
I'm just going to let him sit.
Okay.
I did not
You did that, sir.
do any throwing or pushing or nothing.
Yes, you pushed him right into the ground. Yes, you did. Yes.
I held onto his arm, and guess where that cane went?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm not arguing.
Oh, now what they say, I swung at him?
No, that he only grabbed your arm. That he only grabbed your arm. That's all. He didn't push you or throw you or anything.
Fuck out there for a second, right?
I'm sure I managed to keep a job for 3 years pushing disabled people over.
What a smartass. Just that condescending sort of from the beginning stuff. These are not the kind of police anybody needs.
What is that supposed to mean?
That means it means I don't keep my job for 3 years if I make a habit of pushing disabled people over.
I guarantee you, I guarantee you, have a hard time.
I'm really glad you're saying all this, man. I really am.
All right.
Sorry, man.
All good.
I told you they were threatening me.
That ain't no fault of your own.
Yeah.
Absolutely insufferable.
So, yeah, that's what I was afraid of.
So, they're not planning anytime soon. Quit spitting over your railing.
Yeah.
They seem to think that it's their right to spit, even if some mist gets on your porch, which I disagree with. It's your place. You shouldn't have to deal with their spit on your porch.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's my opinion. But whatever you want to do, we can send charges for peace disturbance as a simple municipal ticket, or they're just going to keep doing what they're doing. That's up to you.
Yeah, we've already called the owners of the place to see if we can get moved, or something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to deal with it, you know what I mean? Because I don't feel safe here now.
Okay.
I really don't.
Okay.
Not with my wife and my in-laws here.
So I understand you want to move. My question is, are you wanting me to scratch out a ticket for the threats, the peace disturbance, the whole 9 yards?
The whole 9 yards. See, he's soliciting a ticket here. The guy was ready to just move on, but the cop wants a ticket because that justifies what they did almost, at least in their mind.
That ain't gonna do no good, is it?
I mean, it'll fix the behavior, or at least give some sort of an encouragement to fix the behavior.
To not do it again.
Otherwise, the next person moving is just going to deal with the same thing.
Wherever it is.
I'm not trying to convince you or sway you one way,
Yes,
but
you are.
that's the fact of the matter.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have an ID on you? I just need to get it out of the call. If I do my job right, you should never have to do any court appearance. Oh, sorry, I didn't ask if I could come in.
Come in.
He decided to tell us to screw off when I asked for his ID.
I heard you.
Yeah. As soon as I grabbed his arm because he tried walking back in, he just dropped to the floor, buried his face in the stairs, and started screaming at me for throwing him on the ground. And
All they had to do was just be polite, right?
that was it.
Like I said, I tried to reason
So-
with them, I couldn't.
So when you talked to me first, my plan was just to go up there, reason with them, and come down and say, hey, they've agreed to stop.
Yeah.
Is this a peaceful enough resolution? That's what I wanted.
Yeah.
But he just...
I know I heard it escalate. Sorry. I'm sorry.
All good. It's absolutely no fault of your own.
Yeah.
And you as an American citizen, as a private residence owner, you shouldn't have to deal with that. So
You were visiting for a couple of days,
Yeah, you have rights just as much as anybody else. So I'll get this taken care of.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. So
I'm not arguing.
Oh, now what they say,
basically,
I swung at him?
welcome.
No,
Said,
that-
hey, he's gonna be. You're gonna be charged with. We have peace disturbance at the minimum. I need a driver's license. He said I don't have a fucking driver's license. You turn around and start walking back in. So we reached in, grabbed a hold of him. As soon as he reached in and grabbed a hold of him,
What
he
is that
kind of
supposed to mean?
ish, flung himself down the ground. Started acting like he was seeing and whatnot. Brother and I don't know who the younger girl is, and wife came over, and they all started kind of getting in our face this way. So right now, Ray is on the couch with a cane. He's under arrest.
Okay.
He's not gonna be. My plan for now is to scratch it.
Hello, Officer Branson, Police.
What's your badge number?
255.
All right.
I'm the supervisor on today, so
Okay.
I need to get to my guy that we're with, so excuse me.
Don't mess with him. He's got a problem going on. I'm telling you
We
all.
have an ambulance coming, so
Yeah, he needs it. Your officer messed up, dude. He threw my brother into the ground.
okay, then I need you to step back or we're gonna arrest you for interference. Please step back.
I'm not doing anything. What do you mean? I'm not doing anything at all.
Go ahead.
Okay, so right now he's under arrest, so I don't want you near him.
It's my uncle.
That's my brother. I had to
Okay,
help
and your
him
brother
up.
uncle's under
He's
arrest.
disabled.
Okay, well, I'm
Disabled.
sorry. We have an ambulance en route, so let's not do anything to make the situation worse, and let's just all relax.
Ain't nobody getting excited but you. You're the only one throwing threats.
I'm not throwing threats.
You
I'm
just
informing
did. You just did. I didn't do anything.
No, you're talking
I did not do anything.
Regardless of the word that comes
Very
out of your mouth,
condescending.
you're a threat.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Regardless how you want to say it.
Okay.
Keep feeding the arse.
Would you like my business license? My business.
I don't
No,
know.
we got your badge number and your picture.
I'll leave
That's
it
okay.
at
That's
that.
all we need.
We got you, son.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
I'll leave this right here for you guys.
We don't need it. Don't leave that. We don't want that.
Yeah. I don't care what you leave.
55 Branson. You wanted to advise TC males. Well, what are your chief complaints, sir?
Whatever you want to say.
No, I want to know what you need an ambulance for.
I'm in pain. You just knocked me
Guys, just
out. I got my
down.
tremors acting up.
Okay, male said he's in pain or has tremors acting up. It's the guy that is in custody.
Your officer threw. I got it on tape. Your
Okay.
officer threw him
Yeah, he has
down
it on
on the
tape.
ground.
Knocked
Knocked me out.
Knocked him out.
Oh, yeah.
Knocked him
All
out.
right. He didn't
Look
get
at
the whole
his
thing.
face.
Hey, he didn't
You
get the
won't
whole
let me
thing.
get
I'm
the-
trying to
look
talk
at
to
his
the ambulance. Give me a second.
I believe it's tremors.
Okay, he heard me.
Yeah, I like that. You're slick with your cameras. Not slick enough. You're going to start them after you come to the door in 10 minutes.
Luckily, they got a
later.
2-minute pre-recording.
Oh,
so
whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I'm sure.
sometimes dumb things happen. That's what happened today.
Yeah, your officers come in here charging around, knock my husband down and cause him to be like
Okay.
this.
Yep.
So
That's
we can do this
exactly
two
what
ways. We can just here not argue about the situation,
We're
or
not
we can
arguing.
take him out to the car because he is in custody. We can do all this out there. We're
We're
trying to be
not
not.
arguing.
Oh, we can threaten. We can threaten to make it worse. This is a typical tactic, right? So you just go along with us or it's going to get worse. If you've watched my videos, you know this is a reaction from police is if you want to challenge them, they're going to up the ante because they're not going to lose this encounter just because some citizen decides that they have violated their rights.
Just hear me out. We're trying to be nice, let him be comfortable on the couch.
Challenge them, they're going to up.
What do? Don't act like you're doing something, please.
What? We ain't doing nothing,
You don't know who I
dude.
am.
You're the
Don't-
one
don't-
that's
don't
being.
sit
You're the
there
one
like that.
right now. You have the attitude. You're the one
Yeah,
blowing the threats. You're the
exactly.
one doing this.
I'm
Ain't
not
nobody
doing-
doing
Oh,
anything.
there you are.
Nobody's
Okay.
doing nothing.
Okay.
So I'm trying to be. Okay.
Enjoy yourself.
Hello. How's it going, guys?
How's it going?
Good to see you, sir.
And,
What's going on?
the officer threw him down on the ground and knocked him out, as you can see on the tape. He won't let me get close to him. You can see on the side of his face there where he got the big mark.
Okay.
I got it all on tape. Y'all need to see it.
I took one by the
Well, there you have it. So I do get kind of worked up about this stuff. The police could have done this so much better, and that's really all I advocate for. Good cops are good cops. I'm not a cop hater. What I am is a constitutionalist. I believe that the Constitution is what protects us from this just runaway, excessive force, disregard for people's rights. You've heard me talk about it many times before. We need to have a mechanism where we can hold the police accountable on a financial basis that's very easy without lawyers. Until the next time, from the Wolfgram Worldwide headquarters here in downtown Minneapolis, Wolf 6, out here.